Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's unveil the magic of using StarryAI to craft captivating book cover art. Here's your guide. Begin your artistic journey from your StarryAI dashboard. Assuming you are already logged in, tap on Create. Now, choose the art style that resonates with your book's essence. Here comes the spark of creativity. Enter your prompt in the provided space. Consider using images that align with your book's theme. If your story is set in a specific place, why not adorn your cover with an image of that very location? And remember, you can tweak the style to match your book's vibe. Your masterpiece is one click away. Give your creative energy a voice, tap on Generate, and behold the transformation. Just like that, you have conjured a book cover, and that is bound to enthrall your readers. With StarryAI, your imagination is your canvas. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.